Welcome to IFST's Community Platform, the place to connect with members and be part of the discussion on subjects that matter to you. Just like any online network, Community allows you to share a post with the entire community, with a specific network, perhaps focusing on a special interest such as food safety, or on a particular region of the country covered by one of our branches, or directly with another member. This short introduction will show you how to update your profile, join a network, create and reply to a post, chat directly with another member, and follow a specific member or topic. So, if you haven't found it already, you can access IFST Community from the IFST website. Log in using your normal IFST username and password, and then go to IFST Community. You will find it on the left-hand bar, or as one of the options when you click on My IFST. You will be logged in automatically. To update your profile, simply click on the roundel which may contain your initials. Then select Profile. Here you can update your photo. Simply click on Update Profile and then Update Image, and then select the file that you want. You can add your biography, and you can add your social media handles, which will be visible to other members. But note the platform will not expose your email address or any other contact details, that is unless you share them in a message or a network post, and we recommend you don't do that. In account settings in your profile, you can also set your email notification preferences. For instance, do you want to receive an email every time a post is made in the networks you are following, or just a summary each week? If you're not sure, you can check out the suggested settings on the Getting Started Step-by-Step page, which you can access at the top of the main feed. To join a network, simply go to Networks and then scroll through the options to find the one that you want. Open that by clicking on it. You can check out the description at the top and some of the recent posts. And if you're interested, click Join Network. This means you'll receive a notification about the posts in this network, and if you have set up your email notifications, you will receive an email alert. It's the same to leave a network. Just click Leave Network. All the networks you have joined are shown at the top of the screen when you click Networks. To create a post, simply start typing where it says What's on your mind. You can change the type of post you are using the buttons at the top, so either post, question, or discussion. Post is a short, punchy update. Question allows you to ask open free text questions and to set up a poll. And discussion allows more space for your post and more formatting options. Decide if you want your post to appear in the main feed, which is visible to all members of the community, or just members of a specific network. And you can add a topic to your post by selecting one of the existing topics which appear when you start typing, or by creating a new one. Just start typing and then click Share. To reply to a post, simply click on Reply in the relevant post and add the text of your reply, and then Submit. Sometimes you will want to chat one-to-one with another member of the community. To start a new chat, first find the member using the search bar at the top, or by clicking on their profile from a post they've made. Then click Messages, type out your message at the bottom, and click Send. You can see your messages by clicking on the message or chat icon at the top, which shows a red dot if you have a new message. To reply to a message, open Messages and type your reply, and then Send. You might be interested in seeing all the posts made by a specific person. You can simply follow their profile. As before, you will receive a notification, and, depending on your email settings, you will receive an email alert whenever that person makes a post. Sometimes the topic of a post might apply across several networks. Vacancies, for instance, don't only apply to members in the food safety network. Say you're a student looking for a work placement opportunity. You can follow the vacancies topic and receive a notification and email alert every time a post is made with the vacancies topic. Go to the All Topics section, click Follow and Unfollow as you want. As before, you will receive an email notification and, depending on your email settings, you will receive an email alert when a post is made on that topic. But before you get started, it's worth reminding ourselves that we are professionals who have agreed to conduct ourselves in line with the Code of Professional Conduct. We treat our colleagues with respect. Report any online abuse or unprofessional behaviour immediately. That's all for this introduction to IFST Community. There's another short video for members who are involved in SIG, branch, committee and other group committees. But for now, go ahead, update your profile, join a network and be part of the discussion. What's on your mind? If you get stuck, please contact a member of the team, message us on the community platform or drop us an email, info@ifst.org.